I got something to show you here. So we had a bird built a nest on the back porch, and this is where my cats stay at nighttime. Oh, there's one cat right there. Yep, so the cats live out on this porch. And the bird's nest is right up here in that corner up there. So I took and built this little bowl basket thing and stretched it up there so the dang cat can't get to the bird's nest, and one of the babies fell down in it. There's the baby right there. So, Mama Dukes.
Well, thank goodness we put that basket up there.
Got some gloves on. Yeah, no kidding, because Johnny was just out here.
I know.
She's gonna get on there and she's gonna put the bird back up in the nest.
What can I use to rebuild part of that nest?
I have no idea.
Just a bird rescue, not a nest maker.
So if you unhook that one end, it will come down a little bit to give you a little more room.
There's 3 birds in the nest. There's 3 birds.
3 birds, 2 in the nest and 1 in there.
Buddy.
His little claw stuck in. Get him? Okay.
That's it. Cute little bugger.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Mama bird's out there freaking out.
Yep.
Cardboard or something?
Yeah, I'm gonna get something right now. Hang tight.
I'm hanging.
Alright, so I got some cardboard. And they're all tucked up in there nice. Good job. Way to go. Catch you guys on the next one.